Okay, Wildcat, so we're at 1.3, proving polynomial identities. Use Desmos to verify each algebraic trait by transforming one side of the equation to show that it is equivalent to the other side of the equation. All right, so to use this, we're going to use Desmos. I'm going to go and define v equals 1 and w equals 2. It's going to pick random numbers for v and w. Okay, and then I'm going to plug in the left side, so v to the 6th minus w to the 6th. Now I get negative 63. Now, if they're equivalent, I'll get negative 63 for the other side. So now I'm type that in. V squared minus w squared, parentheses, v squared minus vw plus w squared, parentheses, v squared plus vw plus w squared. Now, you see I get negative 63, negative 63, so they're equivalent. And if I go ahead and change the numbers, like if I change this to 2 and 4, I get the same number. So I verified that they're equivalent, okay? All right, so these are equivalent. That checks. Let's take a look at 2. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, okay? So I'm going to remove the previous problem, and then let's let p equal 3 and q equals 5. Just picking random numbers for p and q, and then I have parentheses p to the 4th plus q to the 4th squared. Okay, now if they're equivalent, when I type in the left side or right side, they'll get the same number. P to the 4th minus q to the 4th squared plus 2p squared q squared squared. And you can see that they're the same number, so they are equivalent. All right. Go ahead and mark out number 3. And let's take a look at the next side. Excuse me. Mark out this page. All right. All right, the student works 2A, 2B, and 2C. All right, go ahead and write that down. Go ahead and write that down. All right, let's take a look at the next page. Go ahead and mark this page out. Go ahead and mark this page out. Go ahead and mark out questions 1, 2, and 3, and work question 4. Okay? Go ahead and finish up your notes, start working on the assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.